Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to know top Excel formulas to learn and make you master in Excel. This lecture I am trying to getting this information from ChatGPT openai tool. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support us. Let's begin initiating ChatGPT. Just I am trying to asking top Excel formulas to learn. Formulas to learn to make a master in Excel. Just I'm trying to ask him top Excel formulas to learn for data analyst. Let's see how ChatGPT is going to be support us. Really awesomely, ChatGPT is also getting a great response of 10 formulas which is suggested for us. The number one, see any of the data analyst in the form of data handling and making the charts and preparing statistical reports, all these are essential things. So greatly enhancing and analyzing in Excel formulas for VLOOKUP. This formula is used to a vertical table and returning corresponding values to the requirement from the data. And index and match. This condition making VLOOKUP along with the index what the data is already there, and the matching most permutations and combinations are going to be involved in this formula, and two-dimensional lookup will happen while you are implementing index and match. Sum if IS. This formula is used to value range meet the specific condition, and some IFS can be used to multiple conditions. So they are useful to aggregating the data based on the certain criteria how you are going to be putting inside the formula. This criteria might be like logical operators and or less than, greater than or equal to. These are the operators when you need to add it. Count if and count if S. So these are the formulas. Count the number of cells, meet the specified condition. Count if is used to single condition, while count if S is used to multiple conditions if you want to add more logical or corresponding criteria to be reached to filter the data. And the next one is average. As you know that the common formula of calculating the number of average of the persons or like a sales statistical measures when you want. Concatenate. Yes. This formula will help you to join multiple columns. It may be string or it may be like any other type of symbols or data. Multiple cells of data is going to be accumulated at a single place, and it will give you in the output of required format. If error. So the formula, which is a condition based on the logic, it will works. If you need to prepare a condition, if it is true, the value will be given as an output. If it is false, if error formula will handle an error and a specified reason it would be specified. It won't be shown an error message. So learning such a formula, you can handle a clean data to be on report, you should present it. Text. This formula allows you to values like a specific characteristics such as date format, number format, and custom format useful for manipulating data, text-based data, and many more. Date dative. These formulas are used to work with the dates in Excel. Date formula allows you to create date value based on your month, day, or year according to your input requirement. And also you can specify a specific condition using dative. Pivot table. Although not a single formula, pivot table, it's a powerful tool in Excel for making data analyst in you with a short time that allows you to summarize, analyze large data sets, creating a dynamic interactive tables and easily customize and upload like a great statistical reports with ease by doing without writing anything, by doing a simple mouse actions. Mastering these Excel formulas can greatly enhance your ability to analyze, manipulate, and data analyst. With practical experience only, this is a possible when you are learning all these formulas by applying your own data and how you are going to getting a clean output by writing these formulas and performing various data analysis tasks efficiently, then only you will be make a master in Excel as a data analyst. If you feel this video lecture is comfortable and you learned something, any point of view here, please do subscribe us. At the same time, Hari System is also offering great online complete Excel from scratch to expert level, zero to hero. Yes, the latest version MS Excel as well as Office 365 version of Excel. You just try it now today. Find below link for the course. Online course is provided. Have a look into the demo lectures. If you are understanding and you are cope up to practicing and reaching up to the delivery level of the course, enroll today and start learning and try to make a master in data analyst. Strongly remember, always practice. Formulas are very essential to make you strong career. Thank you.